Welcome back, everybody. Take a look at this. Rodri de Paul. Paredes. This match is about to start. It's raining a little bit. We have to be honest. It's raining. It's raining. I'm sure that the temperature inside the pitch will see the number 10. They want to see the captain, and this is at a very special stadium in the world. La Bombonera. Take a look at the girls. The atmosphere inside the stadium is only building. You can feel it. That anticipation, that energy, that only football.
Las Provincias Unidas.
Keita with number 20. 3, Abid with number 5. Ba. 21, Lefort. 11, Magas. 23, the one from Aston Villa between the posts. Acuna with the number 8. 6, Senesi. 13, and Messi on the post. Everybody bowing, everybody celebrating that the number 10 is right here. Rodri de Paul, Lionel Messi, and Franco Mastantuono. Do you remember Inter Miami? And this is Kun Agüero, one of the best friends. And on the other side is about to play, to get into the pitch. If the first 45 minutes already, and Messi and Rodri de Paul, they have to keep warming up. You know, chills, actual chills. Listen to La Bombonera. That's why this is not just a game. He's not a starring role with Álvaro Arbeloa team, but the same as Enzo. So the substitution. Pressure, the number 10. This is Diop. He lost the opportunity. Messi trying to control. And take a look at this. Take a look at Messi. Messi with the pass. Almada. This is Messi. Great control. Thiago Almada. Take a look at that ball controlled by Messi. And that's a foul. The shirt, the jerseys after the game. If you want to take that shirt, you have to wait 40 minutes. That's a clear foul. Messi controlling. And he knows what to do. Take a look at that pass. The ball was blocked by the defense. Now the pass to Senesi. Messi trying the 1-2, going to Franco. Mastantuono to Messi. Messi saying goodbye. Messi, great pass. Another try. Messi! The ball is going wide. And take a look at the defense apologizing to Messi because there was a little contact right there. Take a look at this. And time for this man. Another player of Atlético de Madrid. Corner kick. Going short to Rodri de Paul. Qatar 2022. Messi controlling it. Offside. Nice try. Number 7. Great pass to Messi. Messi trying to control, but Diop is taking it without 8 names. This is Franco. Mastantuono to Messi. Messi, great pass. Going back again. Messi with a pass. Going to the left. Julian. Understandable. This is Messi. Giuliano thought that Mauritania was going to be easier. And of course, a lot of people, a lot of control without a lot of problems by Argentina. Messi going to the left. Santuano To Lionel Messi. 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 Messi again. Great pass. Looking for another. And another missed chance. Foul. Supporters, the media, everybody, they were expecting this maybe to be a very different match. Messi letting the ball pass. Another try. Messi with a number 10. Magasa. That is not foul. Argentina taking it. This could be interesting. Mastantone is waiting in the right. And it's another free kick. Taken by Messi. Messi. Great pass. Another opportunity going to the left. This could be the third. Very sad. Very mad. They don't want injured players. They want to be happy. Take a look at this. One playing with. Very careful. Didn't concede a penalty to Mauritania. This is the last minute. This could be interesting. Let's see. Messi. Messi with the ball. Of course, we didn't see the fast Messi today. He was being very, very careful. Actually, he is. Take a look at the rebound. The ball is there. Another try. Guess what? Guess what? Guess what? That's a goal. That's a goal by Jordan Leffert. Mauritania scored. This is looking for an option. Nahuel with a pass. This could be the first, and it is. And it's in. Enzo Fernandez. This is the first goal of the game. With the number. Could be Nico. Nico pass with a shot, and it's in. That's a second. Nico pass. The number 18. He's waiting for a spot in the World Cup. And he's raising the hand. He's saying, I'm right here. Take respecting. And now everybody is trying to take some pictures with Lionel Messi. Maybe this is number 10, this is the captain. We saw 45 minutes of these men. Ladies and gentlemen.